Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. So our today's topic is how to set up Comfast WR760AC Smart Wi-Fi Extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for all over your home, then this Netis Wi-Fi router setup is the one of the best. The Comfast WR760AC Smart Wi-Fi Extender is a dual-band device that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal, helping to remove dead zones and provide faster, more stable internet in hard-to-reach areas. It's easy to set up using WPS or a web browser, so without wasting any time, let's start. Firstly, we will discuss the WPS setup in detail. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the easy setup that takes only 2 minutes, then this video is specially made up for you. In the first step, take the extender out of the box and plug it into a power outlet close to your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED turns solid, not blinking. Find the WPS button on your router, usually on the front or back panel. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS indicator on your router should start blinking, meaning it's ready to connect. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Comfast WR760AC extender. The signal/Wi-Fi LED on the extender will blink while trying to connect. Once the connection is successful, the LED will turn solid green. After a successful connection, unplug the extender and move it to a spot midway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Plug it back in and wait until the power signal LEDs are steady. Check that the signal LED is green, good connection. If it's red or off, move the extender closer to your router. Now your extended Wi-Fi is ready. You can connect your devices either to the same Wi-Fi name as your router. Now we will discuss the manual setup. Use this if your router doesn't have a WPS button or if you prefer manual setup. The manual method is a setup process where you configure a device step by step using a web browser or app, instead of using automatic features like WPS. It allows you to manually select the Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and customize the settings. First step is same as the WPS method. Plug the Comfast WR760AC into a wall socket. Wait until the power LED turns solid. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for the network named Comfast_XXXX. XXXX are numbers/letters unique to your extender. Tap to connect. No password required by default. Open a web browser, Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, etc. In the address bar, type http://192.168.10.1 or http://ap.setup and press enter. This will open the Comfast setup login page. Log into the admin panel on the login page, enter the default credentials, the username and password both are admin, click login. After logging in, select repeater mode. The extender will scan nearby Wi-Fi networks automatically. You'll see a list of available Wi-Fi names, SIDs. Select your home Wi-Fi network, the one from your router. Type in your router's Wi-Fi password carefully. Keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, makes devices connect automatically. Set a new name, e.g., Home Wi-Fi_EXT, helps you identify the extended network easily. Click Save or Apply. The extender will take 30 to 60 seconds to reboot and apply the settings. Once rebooted, it will automatically connect to your router. On your phone/PC, open Wi-Fi settings again. Connect to the extended Wi-Fi network, same name as your router or the new name you set. Enter your Wi-Fi password, same as your main routers. Your Comfast WR760AC is now extending your Wi-Fi successfully. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our technical expert at 132350733713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Devices help and support. And also stay tuned for these informative videos.